We're here today at another abandoned stadium. This one's quite a bit bigger and a little bit more left of it, even though it's very vandalized than the last one we went to. This is the second one we've got to go to, so that's pretty cool that we're finding multiples of these baseball stadiums. This is another minor league. Unlike the last one we went to, this minor league didn't shut down. It just built a new stadium and moved, and they've just abandoned this one. And it is wide open just to walk into, so there's a lot of graffiti and a lot of vandalism, but it's still pretty neat to see, so we're gonna go check it out. Looks like this used to be some of the box seats. You can see there's actually people out there playing. It's been recently mowed, it looks like. Looks like these were individual box seats and all the glass has been busted out. It's been graffitied, vandalized pretty good. All the coppers ripped out. See, there's been a bunch of stuff thrown out of the box office here down into the bleachers. Just thoroughly destroyed. You can see the old guitar scoreboard over there. It's pretty neat. This is the back of the box office where you would actually enter them at. It's got a long hallway down here with all the doors to enter them. This is one of the bathrooms. It's been thoroughly destroyed. Looks like this is the announcer's booth. There's several of them here. Looks to be two smaller ones and one larger one that overlook the home. This looks like it was some kind of office. It has nicer decor in it and cabinets built in and stuff. You can see all the air conditioners have been stolen. Many of the doors, the fence is ripped down here, and it's just thoroughly vandalized all the box offices. There's some equipment down there. It looks like maybe they're getting ready to do something, or it may just be old equipment that was abandoned down here, not sure. Here's where some of the air conditioners out of the box stands went. Looks like this would have been one of the entryways and concession area. You can imagine on game day there would have just been thousands of people coming through here. This would have been so crowded you probably couldn't even walk through it, even though it's as wide as it is. This is one of the walk-in coolers for the concession area. And this is the behind the counter area of the concession area. Sinks are left in here, that's about it. This would have been more dry storage and walk-in coolers back here. Looks like this was gated, so there may have been some kind of entrance. I guess this was probably a maintenance room, so they had it gated off. See, every bit of the electrical has been stolen. There's nothing left of it. Looks like this may have just been a little dry storage area. And then this is a service entrance that goes under the bleachers, and it's where the water heater and some of the mechanical stuff was stored. This is what's left of the refrigerant compressor for the walk-in coolers. It's been pretty well destroyed. Looks like this would have been some more dry storage area under the bleachers. Several coat pallets under here, so maybe where they stored some of the stuff for the concession area. Some more concession area here, it looks like. Maybe kitchen of some kind. This may have been some offices. It's hard to tell what some of this stuff is because it's so vandalized. Looks like this would have been some of the maintenance area. Probably where they kept the mowers and stuff for the field. Not anything left in it now though. Storage here, doesn't look like there's anything interesting left in there though. This used to be where the backup power generator went. They've taken it out or it's been stolen or something.